Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny. This is, of course, Simple Drinks. Today we're making yet another video with blackberries. I know I might be a little annoying with the berries, but it's berry season, so let's make the best of it. So today we're making a Blackberry Martini. It's another recipe by Simon Difford, created in 2020 in Rye, England. So it's a real easy cocktail to make. It's 4 ingredients only, so without further ado, let's make a Blackberry Martini. First we need blackberries, this time only 3. Just add them to a shaker and we are going to muddle them. Next ingredient is gin, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by 20 ml of Vermouth Bianco, and last ingredient, sugar syrup, 5 ml. So that's just a dash. That's it. Now we need ice. And we're going to give it a good shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Smells like gin. Smells like gin. But nice. Now we need a chilled martini glass, obviously. And we're going to fine strain our cocktail into our chilled martini glass. Garnish with some blackberries. And that's it, ladies and gents. Blackberry Martini. Cheers. It's good. I mean, I love blackberries, I love raspberries, strawberries, all kinds of berries, so anything with berries, I like it. And this is actually pretty good. You can taste vermouth, you can taste it. A little bit of that herbal note from gin, just a little hint of blackberries, but it's nice. It's not too strong, I mean, taste-wise, it's pretty drinkable. It's actually really tasty. Considering it's fruity, you can say it's refreshing. So this is actually a pretty good cocktail if you like blackberries. Another amazing job by Simon Difford. Thanks Simon, you're a legend. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Blackberry Martini. Real easy to make, nothing too complicated. 4 ingredients only. So we need gin, Bianco Vermouth, simple syrup and some fresh blackberries. Try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot, it helps the channel, so come on, it's not too hard. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.